Yes, I started. Very good.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, good morning, grade 5B. Today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 8, page 201. So all of you prepare your box on page 201, lesson 8. Divide 3 and 4 digit dividends. Okay, let's start. Again, guys, we are on lesson 8, page 201. Divide the 3 and 4 digit dividends. Okay, now let's remember, guys, what we did in 2-digit dividends before. Before we talk how to divide in 2-digit dividends. For example, if we have 34 divided by 3, 34 divided by 3. We said we make long division, 34, here at 3. And we said this, we call it dividend. This here, we call it quotient. And here, this number, we call it divisor. Divisor. Okay, and down here at the end, we will call it, or we called it remainder. Remainder. We did that in the previous lessons. Now, to divide, guys, we start with the first digit here, and we will ask ourselves if this digit is more than, equal, or less than. If it's more than or equal, we can start with. But if it's less than, we cannot start with. We will take both numbers. Now here, 3 is equal to 3, so we can start to divide by 3 only, not 34, 3 only. Now, to divide, guys, we need to know the timetable of the divisor, the timetable of the 3. Our divisor here is a 3, so we need to be excellent in the timetable of a 3. And we know that 3 by 1 is a 3, 3 by 2 is 6, 3 by 3 is 9, 3 by 4 is 12, and go on, okay? Now we'll keep this in our mind, okay? And here we'll go back, and to divide, we start with the first digit, as we said early. Now 3 divided by 3, here I want a number. If you multiply it with a 3, you got a 3 or less. Our number is 1. 3 by 1 is a 3. So here up, I will put 1. After I put the number up, I make multiply. 1 multiply 3 is a 3. Then I make line, subtract, 3 minus 3 is 0. After I'm done with the first digit, I will go to the second digit and put it down. 3, 4, put it down. It's like this. Now I'll do the same circle. 4 divided by 3, I'll ask myself, what's the number? If you multiply it with a 3, you get 4 or less. Now 4, there is no 4 in the timetable of a 3. And the 3 by 1 is a 3. 3 by 2 is 6. I want 4. But 4 is here. It's between 3 and 6. So I will take the 3 again, and it's multiplied with 1. So I'll put 1 again. 1 multiplied 3 is a 3. This time under 4, and make also subtraction. For my 3 with, I'm done with the 2 digits, so I'm done with the whole process. So what's the answer? It's 11 with remainder 1. And we write it like this, 11 remainder 1. And I will go back to my question, and I put equal, and I put my answer, 11 remainder 1. This is how we divide 2 digits on 1 digit. 2 digits on 1 digit. Today we will take 3 and 4 digit dividends. Means in the dividend, we will make 3 and 4 digits. So we will make more steps because we will have more digits in the dividends. So let's take an example about dividing 3 and 4 dividends. I'll start with this example, 852 divided by 4. Example, and please focus, guys, 852 divided by 4. 852 divided by 4. Now here I'll put equal, I will keep it, and I will make my long division. and here the dividend is 852. It will be inside the division, and the divisor is 4. It will be here, and of 4. So here I need to be good in timetable of 4. 4 by 1, 4, 4 by 2, 8, 4 by 3, 12, and go on. Okay. Now we'll keep the timetable of 4 in our minds, and here let's go back and divide. Now we'll start with the first digit here. 8 is bigger than 4, so we can start with 8. Now 8 divided by 4, I'll search a number. If you multiply it with 4, you get 8 or less. Now in the timetable of 4, we have 8. 8 comes from multiplying 4 by 2. So the number, if you multiply it with 4, you get 8, is what? Is 2. So up, I'll put 2. Up, I'll put 2. Now I'll do multiply. 2 multiply by 4, 8. Make subtraction. 8 minus 8 is 0. After I'm done with the first digit and subtracted it, I will put the 5 down. I'll bring the 5 down, the second digit, 5. I'll do the same process now. 5 divided by 4. I want a number. If you multiply it with 4, you get 5 or less. Before I'm done with the first digit, guys, here I need to be careful. After you make the subtraction, guys, and before you bring the 5 down, you take a look here. This number here, the answer of the subtraction, should be less than the divisor. If this number here equal or more the divisor, then my number up is wrong. For example, if you get mistake and you put here 1, if you get mistake and you put here 1, now you will do 1 multiply 4, 4, 8 minus 4. This is not acceptable. This is a choice is 2, and multiply 2 with 4, 8. Now 2 times 4, 8, 8 minus 8, 0. This number is less than the divisor, should be less than, okay? So as soon as this number is less than 4, then our choice here is correct. After I'm done with 8, I'll bring the 5 down. Now 5 divided by 4. I will do the same process. I will go to the timetable of 4 and search about 5 in the answers. Do we have 5? No, we don't have 5. But the 5 is located here. And if the 5 is not exist, we will take the smaller of the 5, not the bigger of the 5, which is 4. How we get the 4? By multiplying with 1. So I'll go here and I put 1. 1 multiply 4 is 4. Subtract 5 minus 4, 1. Look here, guys. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 less than 4 means our choice here is correct. After I'm done with the second digit, I'll do the same process with the third digit. I'll bring it down here. Besides the 1, it will be whole number 12. Now I will go to the timetable of 4 and check if I have a 12 in the timetable of 4 or not. A 12 divided by 4, I need a number to put it here, multiply it with 4 to get a 12 or less. So I'll go here, I already have a 12. A 12 comes from multiplying with a 3. So here up, I'll put a 3. 3 multiply 4 is a 12. Subtract 0. Now I'm done with the third digit. There is no fourth digit, so we are finished here. So what's the answer? 852 divided by 4 is 213 with remainder 0. Now if the remainder 0, no need to write R0. No need. Just write the quotient. Our answer is 213. So I'll go to my question here and I'll put 213. This is how we divide the 3 digits, guys. Let's take example how we divide 4-digit numbers. 4-digit numbers. Example, let's divide 4-digit numbers. Wait, Shuman, wait, let me finish first. For example, if I want to divide, guys, 7,946. 7,946 divided by 7,946 divided by 6. Okay, here we have 4 digits, and here we had 3 digits. Here 4 digits. It's same steps, but here we will have another extra step. Okay. Now here I will make my long division. Here equal, and the dividend we put it inside 7946, and the divisor we put it here 6. Now I'll start with the first digit. 7 is bigger than 6. Now to divide this very well, guys, you need to be good in the timetable of 6. We know the timetable is 12, 6 by 3 is 18, 6 by 4 is 24, 6 by 5 is 30, and go on. You know the timetable of 6. We will use it in division on 6. Now let's make the steps of the division, guys. We'll start with the first number, which is 7. Now 7 is bigger than 6, so we can start with 7. Now I will go to the timetable of 6, and I will ask myself, is there a 7 as an answer? 7 divided by 6, I need a number here multiplied with 6 to get 7. Do we have 7 in the answers? No, we don't have 7. But where is the 7? The 7 is here between 6 and the 12. So I will choose the smaller number, which is 6, comes from multiplying by 1. So I will go here and put 1 up, then make multiply. Now 1 multiply 6 is 6. Subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Look here, guys, and be careful. 1 is less than 6, means my choice here is correct. If the number here, after you subtract, before you get the 9 down, after you subtract, before you get the 9 down, if the number here is equal or more the divisor, then your choice here is incorrect, is wrong. Now I'm done here. I will bring the 9 down. I have a new number now, which is 19. I will ask myself, do we have 19 in the timetable of 6? I will check the 19. We have 18 and 24. The 19 is here. So we'll take the smaller number, which is 18, not 12, not 6, the closer number, from down, not from up. Now the 18 comes from multiplying by 3. So I'll put up 3. If I get wrong, guys, if I get wrong and I choose 2, for example, now 2 multiply 6 is 12. If you subtract, the answer will be 7. 7 is bigger than 6, which is not acceptable. So if 7 bigger than 6, then my choice here is incorrect. Okay, guys? Now, what I will choose, we said we will choose 18, comes from 3. 3 multiply 6 is 18. Subtract 19 minus 18 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. This 0 is okay if you write it, it's okay if you don't write it. Now 19 minus 18 is 1. 1 less than 6, so I'm good. Now what's the next step? I will bring the 4 down, 14. Now we have a new number, 14. I will do the same process again. I will go here. Do we have 14? No, we don't have 14. The 14 is located here between 12 and 18. So I will take the smaller number, which is 12, comes by multiplying 6 with 2. So up, I will put 2. 2 multiply 6 is 12. Subtract, the answer is 2. 14 minus 12 is 2. Now the last step is to bring the 4th digit down, which is 6. Now we have a new number, which is 26. 26 divided by 6, I'll guess a number. If you multiply it with 6, you get a 26 or less. Do we have a 26 here? No, we don't have. The 26 comes here between 24 and 30. So I will take the smaller number, which is 24, the smaller and the closer. These are all smaller numbers, but we will take the smaller and the closer, near to 26. Comes from 4. So up, I will put 4. 4 multiply 6, 24. Subtract 2. Subtract 2. So do we have here extra digits? No. So I'm done. So what's the answer? The answer is 1324. Don't forget your remainder 2. Write it up here with remainder 2. And up, I'll put my whole answer. 1324 with remainder 2. Okay? Now, this is how we divide the 3-digit dividends and 4-digit dividends. Now we have a step, guys. We finished with the division, but to check our answer, how to check our answer, guys? Now in the division, for example, guys, if we have 21 divided by 3 equals 7. We know that 21 divided by 3 is 7. How we be sure, guys? We multiplied the 7 with the 3. Now 7 multiply 3 is 21. So if the divisor, if the quotient multiply the divisor equal the dividend, then the division is correct. But if it's not, then it's not. So I will do the same with the long division. How we check our answer, guys? To check our answer, what we will do, we will multiply 213 by 4. 213 by 4, then add the remainder. Again, to check the division, guys, we multiply the quotient by the divisor, adding the remainder. So first we multiply the quotient with the divisor. 213 multiplied by 4. Let's multiply as we did before. 4 multiply 3, 12. 4 by 1, 4 with 1, 5. 4 by 2 is 8, right? Plus the remainder, which is 0. 0 comes here. Add still the same number. If the remainder is 0, no need to add it. Khalas, just multiply. Now, 852. So my whole process here is correct. Now, to check this question, which we did a few minutes ago, what we will do? We will multiply the quotient, 1324, by 6, then adding the remainder 2. So let's first do the multiplication step. 6 multiplied by 1324, the quotient, without the remainder for sure. The remainder we will add it later. First we multiply, then add. 6 multiply 4 is 24. 4 down, 2 up. 6 multiply 2 is 12, plus 2, 14. 4 down, 1 up. 6 multiply 3. 6 multiply 3 is 18, plus 1, 19. 9 down, 1 up. 6 multiply 1, 6, plus 1, 7. This is not enough. I have remainder 2, so I will add the 2. Then add. 4 plus 2 is 6, and this number comes down. Now our answer here is 7,994. 7,946, sorry. 7,946. And here also we have 7,946. So my whole process is correct. Now the check step, guys. The check step, it is not a step from the solution. It's for you. After you make division, you can check your answer wanted from you in the question itself to check. But it's for you, for you to be sure that your answer is correct, you can check using this way. This is how we divide the 3 digits and check. This is how we divide 4 digits and check if we have remainder. That's all for this lesson, guys. Now I'm ready to receive your questions before doing exercises from the book. If you have questions, guys, if you don't understand how to divide, please put your hands. Again, guys, if you don't know how to divide, how I did these examples, please put your hands. I'm ready to receive your answers if you don't understand. Okay, Mr. Shoman. Sorry, Shuman, put your hand again. Sorry.
Yeah, Mister.
Shuman, give me a second. I want to close the door. Just give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Shuman, I'm with you.
Okay. Can you give me an example? And I want to say for you عن ليش مو فاهمه. What I didn't understand.
Let's do a question 1 together, okay? We are page 202. 202. See it? Page 202.
Yeah.
A question 1 down. See it?
Yeah.
Divide. The word divide. Yalla, we will divide 268 divided by 2, right?
Yeah.
See it? And they wrote the long division here. And they wrote here 268 divided by 2. And they put squares around up and down. And we need to fill it. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Up we have 3 squares. Up here
Mister,
we have 3 squares. Ya habibi, wait,
Mister,
wait. Allah Ya habibi, wait, Allah يسعدك. Okay. Down we have square here. Subtract. And where beside it we have 6. Then subtract. Here we have a square, then line. Okay. Then we have 0, 8, 8 or 0. 0, 8. Sorry.
0.
0, 8, or 8 or 0, right? Like this.
Yeah.
Now, all of you guys go to this question, page 202. We will do it together, me and Shoman, and you fill it with us. We have 6 squares here we need to fill, and we will do the steps of the division. And when we get each square, we will fill it. We will fill it. Okay, Shoman?
Okay.
Yeah. Now to divide these two numbers, guys, you need to memorize what? The timetable of mean.
Of 2.
We know the timetable of 2. 2 by 1, 2, 2 by 2, 4, 2 by 3, 6, and go on. We know that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me here what I will do, ya Shoma.
Put 1 up
Why 1?
because 1 multiply 2 equal 2.
Now 2 divided by 2, I will search a number. If you multiply it with 2, you got 2, right? From the timetable, how you got 2? We multiplied with what? With 1. So 1 multiplied 2 is how much, Yishuman?
1 multiply 2 equal 2.
What I will do now?
2 down.
2, I will write it in the second square here.
Put 0.
Now 2 minus 2 is how much?
0.
What here? Yeah, 0. Excellent. So I'm done with 2, right?
Yeah.
Now I'll bring the 6 down. Here is the 6 is already written. Then
put 3 up.
Why 3? Because 6 divided by 2 is what? Is it 3? If you multiply 2 with 3, you got what?
6.
Now 6 divided by 2 is a 3. The second number, the second square up filled by 3. Now 3 multiplied 2 is 6.
And add.
Now 6 minus 6 is what?
0.
0. I will bring what? The 8 down. What I will put up here?
Put up 4.
4. Why 4? Because 4 multiplied 2 is?
8.
The 8 is already written. 8 minus 8 equals 0.
Oh,
So what's the answer, ya Shoman?
the answer 134 and the remainder 0. There is
No
no
need
remainder.
to mention the remainder. If it's 0, no
Yeah.
need to write it. So the answer is 134. This is question 1, guys. Fill the squares, the empty squares. Up we have 1, 3, 4. Down here we have 2, 0, then 6.
مستر أنا فاهم
You
ولا لا؟
understand it, ya Shoman?
Yeah.
Good. This is a question 1, guys. Now let's go to the next page to do question 2 together. And now I need hands to choose with. This is question 1, guys. Fill the empty squares. Don't forget. Up we have 1, 3, 4, then 2, 0, and 6. Now let's go to our exercises page. Page 103 now. Prepare your pencils, so we will do it on your book. Now here, guys, I will go back just 1 second. How we be sure that our answer is correct? Here the remainder is 0. We just multiply the quotient with the remainder. If you multiply the quotient with the remainder, sorry, the quotient with the divisor, not the remainder. The remainder is 0, has no effect. So here the quotient multiplied by the divisor. 2 multiply 134. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 268, and our dividend is 268. So my whole process is correct. Now let's go to page 203 together and do question 2. We did the question 1 there. Let's do question 2. We have 595 divided by 5. 595 divided by 5. Now to answer this, we need to be very good in the timetable of 5. 5 by 1, 5. 5 by 2, 10. 5 by 3, 15. 5 by 4, 20. And go on. We know the timetable of 5. Now I will select, guys, and please, I want new students. I'll select from down. Murad.
Yes, Mr.
Yalla, Murad. Can you help me with the question 2?
Yes.
Yeah. Tell me. Talk.
We will put up 1.
Guys, copy with us. Copy with us, please. Yalla. Talk, Murad.
5. We will put up 1. 5 minus
1.
5 equals
1 multiply 5 is? Yalla. 5 minus 5. 0. Then
we will get down the 9.
this is the 9. Then 9 divided on 5.
1.
Why 1? Because if you choose 2, you got what?
10.
10, which is bigger than 9. So I need to choose the smaller number, which is 5 again. So I'll put another 1. صح?
Yeah.
Yalla. 1 by 5.
45.
5 down. Subtract.
5.
S.
5.
9 minus 5 is 5.
No. 4.
ركز حبيبي. 9 minus 5, how much?
4.
4, not 5. Now 4, look here, 4 is less than 5. What's this mean? This means we are correct until now. Now I'm done with 9. What I will do?
We'll get the 5 down.
Get the 5 besides the 4. What's the new number now we have?
45.
Now, in the timetable of 5, do we have 45 as an
Yes.
answer? From where it comes?
9.
From 5 multiply what?
9.
9. So 5 times 9 is 45. So what I'll choose? I'll choose up
9.
9. Now 9 multiply 5 is?
45.
Subtract the remainder
0.
is 0. Now, how we check our answer, ya Murad? Murad,
What is that?
how we check our answer? How we know that our answer is correct? Tell me, ya Murad, how we check the answer?
Sir, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
We check our answer, ya Murad, by multiplying, focus, multiply the divisor with the quotient, then add what? The remainder, okay?
Okay.
Murad, ya
Yes.
habibi صحصح. Let's multiply 5 with 119. 5 multiply 9, 45. 5 multiply 1, 5. With 4, 9. 5 by 1, 5. Add the remainder, which is what?
0.
0. 5 plus 0, 5. Then 9, then 5. What's the answer?
595.
What's your divisor?
595.
Sorry, dividend, Asif, dividend. 595 also. So my answer is correct. Got it?
Good. Thanks, Mister.
Okay. Question 3. Mute yourself, ya Murad. Question 3. Faisal Ghazi.
Yes, Mister.
Yalla Faisal, we will do question 3, okay?
Question 3. Okay.
Yeah. What we have in question 3, read it. Guys, you should do question 2, huh? Question 2, you should do it. Don't leave spaces in your book. Do it. What we have in question 3, 625 divided by what?
Divided 4.
Yeah, 625 divided by 4, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, help me here. You need to be good in timetable of what? Yeah.
1.
Look to me. Here, to do this very well, you need to memorize the timetable of which number?
4.
Of 4. So 4 by 1, we know that. 4 by 1 is 4, 4 by 2 is 8, 4 by 3 is 12, and go on. We know that, right? Faisal?
Yes.
Yeah. From where we start, tell me what I will do here.
1. 1 up.
1. Why 1? Why 1?
And not have 4. Not have 6.
We don't have 6 in the timetable of 4. The 6 is here between 4 and 8, so I will choose 4. 4 comes by 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 multiply 4, ya Faisal, how much?
2.
1 multiply 4, ya Faisal, 2. How come?
4. 4.
Habibi ركز. 1 multiply 4 is?
Minus 4.
Ya Mr. 4. 1 multiply 4 is 4. Now we subtract. 6 minus 4, how much?
2.
2. We have 2. Now what I will do, ya Mister?
Down 2.
I will put the 2 down. Now we have a new number, which is?
22.
Yeah, 22. Do we have in the timetable of 4 a 22 here?
No.
Let's check. 4 by 4, 16, صح?
Yeah.
4 by 5, 20. 4 by 6,
20.
24. Do we have a 22? No, the 22 is here. So I'll choose what?
5.
اللي هي comes by 5. Good boy. Now here 5. 5 multiply 4, how much?
20.
20. These 20. Subtract now. 22 minus 20, how much?
0.
لا, you start from the right. 2 minus 0. 2. 2 minus 2. 0. Got it? Now what's the next step?
Down 5.
We put the 5 down. We have 25. Do we have a 25 in the timetable of 4?
No.
No. We have here 4 by 7, 28. The 25 comes here, right? So what we will choose?
6.
6 by 4 is 24. Subtract now. What's the answer?
Remainder 1.
Remainder 1. 5 minus 4, 1, and 2 minus 2, 0. Now, thank you, Faisal. Now, to check our answer, guys, we multiply the divisor with the quotient, then we add the remainder. Let's do it together as Sariya. 4 multiply the quotient, 156. First, you multiply 4 by 6, 24. 4 by 5, 20 with 2, 22. 4 by 1, 4 with 2, 6. Plus the remainder, which is 1, we put it here and add. 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2 comes down, then the 6. So our final answer here, 625. And the dividend, 625 also. So my answer is correct. So this is question 3, guys. Do it. Now, guys, we are done for today. Tomorrow we'll continue in the same lesson and we'll do the rest of the exercises in page 203. We'll do them. So today, if you like, if you want to do the homework, it's okay, you can do it. If you don't want to do it and you want to wait to tomorrow to understand more, it's up to you. Thank you so much. Isam, you can stop. Kinan, Isam, I mean. And have a nice day, guys. We'll meet in the next period, inshallah. Goodbye.